Kia ora, good morning, welcome to Wednesday, a very brisk Wednesday in Wellington. I am Mike from Markets, this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, big picture, the risk dial turned a little more toward off overnight, but to be fair, it was twisted the other way earlier in the evening. So for US equity markets, they rallied and then declined, modestly in the red at present. European and Asian markets, they rode the rally, but closed their doors for the day by the time the negativity rolled around. That risk-off sentiment was reflected in the other major assets we usually talk about. So gold is higher, industrial metals are lower, currencies, the yen outperformed, and the Antipodean dollars, so the Kiwi and the Aussie, they slid. Kiwi styles, the bird dipped a couple of toes below 63.6 US cents, but it was apparently too cold for a plunge. Looking back a bit the last couple of days, if you ignore a few fleeting dips and spikes, Kiwi seems to be broadly entrenched in a 63.6 to 64 cent trading range. Yeah, as is often the case, we're waiting for the next big thing to drive the next big move in the Kiwi. I don't know what that is. We did though see some decent moves in Kiwi sterling, an almost new multi-month low, a strong pound, the heavy lifting there, or heavy lowering, I guess. Brexit positivity, the driver. Right, so that's basically what happened. Risk on, risk off. Yeah. Key drivers, the initial move was fueled by lingering good vibrations from the recent US assertion that trade talks are back on with China. The unwind and reversal, that started when China expressed they were open to talks, but no meaningful conversations have taken place in some time, according to them. To be fair, the US didn't say that meaningful talks had occurred, just that calls had taken place, so maybe risk assets were elevated by a pocket dial. Stranger things, yeah. As that US-China positivity eroded, attention turned to the other economic focal point of the hour, US recession. So curve inversion, a new recent low in the benchmark US 10-year bond yield. Yeah, all that fun stuff. We will talk about that in a bit more detail in first hand, and we'll also have a look at Brexit and what's happening there and why it's suddenly a positive thing. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Happy Wednesday. Kia pai tōra.